To talk to a jerk, to talk to an annoying person, it's I, me, they're self-absorbed, they're a pain in the ass, they're unrelentless, they give you a hard time, they're unreasonable, they don't listen to you, they have all the answers, they're dismissive. Does any one of us on this call want to be a jerk? No. Do we want to be annoying? No. Yet, a lot of times in sales, unbeknownst to us, unintentionally, without malice, we end up sounding like this list. We end up sounding self-absorbed. We end up sounding self-centered, right? Our product is great. We can save you 17% on this. We can recapture your billing. We can help your people be more efficient. We can help you hire the best people. We can improve your marketing expenses. Me, right? Unrelentless. Come on, if you just give me 5 minutes of your time, I'd like to explain this, right? Don't listen. A lot of us don't listen. Why? When we, oh no, I listen. But let's take that back. Let's really take a look at don't listen. What's most important to you guys? Lowering our cost of advertising. Oh great, fantastic, because we can lower your cost of advertising by about 30 to 40% up front. Guess what? You didn't listen. What's most important to you? Lowering our cost of our advertising. Got it. Can you give me a specific example of what you mean by lowering your costs? Well, last quarter we did a campaign, and to be honest, I feel like everybody looked at the campaign, but none of those clicks that came through were our correct kind of customers. Why do you say that? That's somebody that listens, okay? That's somebody that's understanding. And here's the problem. In our job, in our career as salespeople, we get a lot of rushes of adrenaline, right? And we think, man, this is an opportunity for me to really help this person. Your prospect doesn't care how much you know until they know how much you care. And the best way to show them that you care is to avoid everything that was on this list. Avoid being self-absorbed. Avoid being a pain in the butt.